In this guide, I'll show you how to add cross-platform friends in the First Descendant. So the first thing you want to do is open up this menu. It's the touchpad on PlayStation, or if you're on Xbox, it's the view or select button. What you want to do now is have a look at the top and select social. And then once you're here, you'll see a list of all the local players that you can add as a friend. Now, if your friend happens to be in the same lobby, you can simply click on their name. And from here, you can send a friend request. But if they're not in the same lobby as you, no worries. All you have to do is go to the player search right over here, and then you just want to simply search their ID. Now, when you do this, be sure to include the numbers at the end of their name as it is over here. And once you do that, you should be able to send a friend request, and a friend request will appear here on their screen, and they just have to accept it. But here's an example. If I want to add this person, I'm going to select it and go to friend requests, and you'll see it says you've sent a friend request to Darth, this person. Now you can also run up to players in your lobby if you want to add them as a friend, and right to the left of your name, you'll see which button you have to press and hold. And from here, you can easily add them as a friend here as well. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.